Hello guys! Today we're going to learn about sound energy. And what is sound energy? Well, we already know that it's a type of energy, but let's learn about its characteristics. So, this energy travels in the forms of waves, and it's defined as vibrations passing through matter. These vibrations are back and forth movements. Look at the image. It has movements reflected as waves, okay? Now, characteristics of the sound is that it travels through solid, liquid, or gas, and it cannot travel in empty space. For example, even though in the air we don't look at the particles, they are there. They are there, present. So it means that they can be moved, and this is why we can listen. And there are two important properties about waves: the frequency and the wavelength. So, what are those? Well, frequency is the number of waves that pass a certain point in a certain amount of time. For example, look at the first line, the red one. It has a very low frequency because it seems to be slowly. But if you look at the pink one, it seems to be rapidly. So the lowest frequency has 1, 2, 3 waves, and the fastest one, the pink one, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, so you imagine, even though in the same amount of seconds, one of the sounds is super slow and the other one is super quick. Now, this is the characteristic about frequency. Now, the characteristic about wavelength is the distance between one wave and the other, like I told you in the other illustration, the amounts of time that you can go up and down, up and down. And now, why can you listen to waves? Well, a sound wave reaches your ear. It makes your eardrum vibrate. Remember, the eardrum is inside the ear, the outside ear, and it vibrates like a paper. So every time there is a wave, sound wave hitting it, it vibrates, and you can listen to it. And well, there are another two concepts related to sound, two important ones: pitch and volume. But what are those? And look, in the image it says volume is related to amplitude and pitch is related to frequency. Pitch is how high, or low a sound is. High pitch vibrates quickly. Low pitch vibrates slowly. And here is an example. Everything is super related, but well. And the other one is volume. How strong do we perceive the sounds? For example, if you're whispering like this, your volume is very low, but if you're shouting or singing like that, the volume goes up. So, the volume is related to amplitude, how loud or soft the sound is. And look, the amplitude goes, there is this thing in the middle that it's called midline, okay? And the amplitude shows how up or low the waves go. So that is the amplitude. The higher the wave goes, the more energy it has and the louder it sounds. So when you shout, your waves are super tall. And when you whisper, your waves are super low. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that and see you next time.